Hi, my name is Rocco and I had a complete left shoulder replacement. I actually was involved in a fall. I fell in New York, ripped my knee, scraped my leg, and I landed on my elbow falling through a city manhole cover. Ended up in the hospital that day, of course, and after weeks and weeks of going back and forth to the doctors, found out that the knee was completely ripped and the ribs were broke. The person that took care of me through my years of multiple myeloma referred me to Seaview Orthopaedics and said there was a young doctor in there that had phenomenal ratings and you got to go check. And my wife looked into it and said he was right. Dr. Thacker's got an unbelievable rating and that's who I chose. Honestly, miserable. I couldn't roll over in my sleep, couldn't put my jacket on. I was like a little child. My wife had to help me put my shirts over my head, clanking and banging noises coming out of my shoulder. And it was horrible, it really was. I had at least 3 doctors that refused to work on me because of my medical history. When I went to speak to Dr. Thacker, I explained everything to him, and he said, we'll go through some tests with your doctors that took care of you. If they say the work can be done, I'll do it. I said, would you really? He said, yes, I will. I'll do it for you. And I said, thank you so much. And we made the arrangements, and here I am. Dr. Thacker's got a hell of a personality. When I was there, my daughter came with me the morning of the procedure in Long Branch. And even though I'm going to get my arm removed to put a shoulder in, I was calm. He made me feel so comfortable about how he was going to do it, what he was going to do. He explained how much equipment that he had with him in the room to make sure there was going to be nothing missing from whatever he needed to do for me. I just felt calm about the whole thing the whole time. Amazing. The 10 days after, I didn't feel any pain in the shoulder. It was more painful before the surgery than it was after the surgery. I had less pain with the surgery. Took my arm straight in front of me, picked it straight up. With him holding it, I couldn't do it myself. He said, I don't believe this, your arm is going straight up. And I didn't even make a noise at all, thinking that I didn't feel anything from it. Because that's amazing, Rocco. I said, that's amazing, Doc. I said, you're amazing. That's not me. It felt great, guys. It was something else. That last couple of weeks recently, I'm on my 2nd month of therapy. Now I've been playing I got 10 grandchildren. And now I'm back in the swimming pool with them. I'm playing with them. I'm throwing the Frisbee with them. I'm actually doing some work at work again. Because I used to be an automobile mechanic. My son's got the company now. I assist him and stuff. I'm picking up things to help him. I'm physical again, which I couldn't do any of that at all. It feels great. It feels like I'm coming back. Get to see Dr. Thacker in Seaview Orthopaedics. He will make you feel more sure of what you have than you can believe. And he'll let you know right there and then if he can help you or he can't. And I'm sure he can. He's a very talented guy, very talented.